Nike is set to expand its high-performance running lineup this July with the release of the Pegasus Premium in a striking Jade Horizon colorway. Featuring a soft sage green upper with subtle light army accents, this version combines advanced design with functional updates. The engineered mesh upper ensures breathability and support, enhanced by translucent overlays and reflective detailing. A sculpted swoosh adds depth to the look. Underfoot, the Pegasus Premium boasts a full-length Zoom Air unit and ReactX foam for responsive cushioning and smooth transitions. The outsole's multi-directional traction makes it ideal for both roads and light trails. Additional elements like a custom tongue pull tab, reflective hits, and bold Air Zoom branding elevate the design. Built for performance and style, this silhouette transitions effortlessly from workouts to casual wear. Expect the Jade Horizon Pegasus Premium to drop on Nike.com in July, retailing at $210.